Changing your primary email on Airship is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Airship website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Airship to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for the email preferences or account information option. Click on it to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email. Find the field that displays your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Airship will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to ensure everything is set up correctly.